Dr. Ajay Kumar, the Chief Medical Officer for Hartford HealthCare, is back with us this half hour to tackle more of your COVID questions. The first one is about masks. A lot of parents have written into us. Thank you again for being back with us, Doctor.
You're welcome.
So parents have written to us concerned that in the heat of the late summer, when schools start to be in session again, kids will pass out from wearing masks. Is that a legitimate concern?
I will highly recommend masks for all individuals, and especially in our society. I think this is one of the protective measures we can take, which is going to protect us and really carry us through. If parents are concerned about the heat and the other issues, I think they should consult their school to see all appropriate precautions are taken. But I don't recommend to take the mask away because of risk of possible passing out or anything like that. We don't know any signs which will cause that. If your child has underlying medical conditions, any disease which you're concerned about, talking to the pediatrician would be the right thing to do. But I'm not concerned about that particular piece at this time.
Okay. And in other parts of the country, the age of patients being treated for COVID is trending younger. Are you seeing that here in Connecticut?
I think Connecticut is in a special place right now, thanks to all the good work done by a lot of healthcare professionals and the media who's carrying the message as well. I think we are seeing some of the lowest infectivity rate in the country at this time. So we really have positioned us very well. And thank goodness that we have not seen such a significant spread. We are seeing a decline every single day at this time. So we have not seen a change in our because of the N is so small right now, we have not seen a significant change. But what's going on in the country, or what we're learning from other states right now, the younger population is definitely being infected. The concern is that the younger population will, generally they're more mobile and have a more likelihood of exposing to the elderly population, the vulnerable population. So we still need to continue to keep a watch on this, but we have not seen a significant shift because our numbers have been very small. And I like to believe that Connecticut is doing a really good job in managing the pandemic at this time.
That is good news. So now if you have friends over for a barbecue or a picnic and you're social distancing and someone has to go to the bathroom, is it safe to let that person in your house?
I think barbecue is a special time, especially in the summer. These are few of the joys we have. I would not preclude people going into the houses. Obviously, appropriate measures such as hand hygiene, making sure they wear the mask at the appropriate setting and they clean the surfaces if they've touched. And obviously, if you're symptomatic, stay away from the barbecue. If you have traveled to any of the hot zones, follow governor's precautionary approach of quarantine. There are simple measures we can take to reduce the spread. But if you're healthy, you have no exposure risk, and you're using the bathroom for a short time, please do so with appropriate measures.
Dr. Ajay Kumar, thank you so much for answering our viewer questions, and we hope to be back with you soon.
Thank you.